What's up, Sunny fam? My name is Dominique, and welcome to your 20-minute dance cardio workout. Today, we're gonna go through a sequence of follow-along movements. We're gonna have a good time. Each song I introduce, we're gonna add on a different movement, throw it all together. By the end of the workout, you're gonna have a nice little dance to go for at parties. Team, are y'all ready to get started? Let's get it. Go ahead and take those feet slightly wider than those hips. Roll the shoulders back. Beautiful. If you're feeling the beat of the music and you already want to start to kind of add a little hip roll, go for it. Switch the reverse of the shoulders. Nice, that's it. Big inhale, big exhale. Bring those arms out to the side. We're just going to shift that torso side to side. Beautiful. Let's go a little faster as that beat picks up. Let's get it. 4, 3, 2, new move. Reach front and back. That's it. So essentially just pressing the spine forward and back. Tempo, let's get it. Forward, hey, yes. Hands can stay on the waist. You can bring them up on the head if you want. Let's get it. 4 more. 3, 2, side to side, just the torso. Keep the hips where they are. You can bring the feet a little closer if you need to. 4, 3, nice. Last 2, tempo. Let's get it right here. Just move that waist. 4, 3, 2, forward and side. Forward, back, side, side. Forward, back. Other way, right here. Let's get it. Front, left, back, right. One more slow. Rolls all together. Let's get it. Hey, keep those hips where they are. If they start to move, that's cool too. Last 2, switch. Other way. Hey, you can get the arms involved. Let's go, last 2. Shake it out, roll those hips, right? Hey, maybe you get a little lower. Let's get it. Nice work, team. Switch sides, left. Hey, switch it back. 2 more. Switch, 4, 3, 2 and 2. Let's get it to the right and left. Hey, can you sink it a little deeper? Last one, singles, right and left. We go right and left, right. Can you take it low? Hey, right and left, right. Grapevine. Yes, if you've never done a grapevine before, you step right, step left, get that heel involved. Try not to think too much, just move the body. Even if it turns into just a little side step, I'm cool with it. Move it. We have a lot of grapevines coming up today. Hey, if you want a little bit more, maybe you add a little pop. Hey, let's get it. Hey, you got it, step. If you're taking it slow, take it slow. Bring the heart rate up just a little bit, come on. Reach the arms up, big inhale, reach it over to the left. Yes, nice warm up, take it all the way down. Inhale, exhale, back up. And over to the opposite side, big reach. Beautiful. If you need to get a big bend in the knee, take it. Slowly come all the way down. Bend those hips. Reach it here, catch your breath. Slowly roll it up, 1 vertebrae at a time. Top of the head's the last thing that comes up. Shake out that body, grab that water if you need it. Team, second song already. We're gonna just step it out here. We're going back to that grapevine, then we're gonna start to add on. So let's master the grapevine to the right. Hey, step, 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 tap. Yeah. Tempo, let's get it. Hey, dance it out, let's go. Maybe you bring that knee to elbow if you wanna make it a little bit more of a workout. You can get that crunch, add that oblique, or just have a good time. Maybe you have fun with the arms, maybe you take a turn. 2 more. Hey, last one. To the left, finish it off. Come back to center, step it out. All right, team, adding on, we step to the front, step, left, right and left, that's it. Let's go 8 right, 8 left. 3, 2, tempo. 1, 2. Hey, that's it. Find the beat. Last 3, 2, 1. Left side goes, tap. Now you can start to make it a roll. Get comfortable with it. 4, 3, 2, singles. Right, left. How you feeling? All right, you're good. We're gonna add on a little bit more than put it all together. We're gonna step to the side. Right, left. If you wanna make it a little bit more, take it down. Hey, maybe roll those hips as you step. Maybe you just step it out, get comfortable. Take it front, take it front, 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 side. That's it. 1, 1. Tempo. Right, left, right, left. Hey, you got it. Woo! Front and side. Last one. Adding in that grapevine to the right. Let's get it, team. Hey, pop it up. One more round. To the left. We step in front, step. Hey, side. One more, front. Grapevine, let's get it. How you feeling so far? Mastering these movements. Take your time, bring that heart rate up. We step in front, right, left. Yes, one more. You can start to add more into it. Take it over, grapevine. Reach it up, let's go. Last 2, keep going. Last 1, maybe you hop it up and up. Yeah, have fun with it. You can make it a little bit more funky, a little bit more sexy, up to you. Grapevine. Woo! How you feeling? 2 more. Make it big, let's get it. Step in front. Hey. All right, team, we're gonna start to add on even more coming up into that next song. Last round, grapevine. I told you you're gonna master those grapevines by the end of this. Don't get too tired yet, come on. Let's go, front, side. Shake those hips out, shake those legs out. Big deep breath in. Big inhale, big exhale, let it go. Release the tension in those hips. Team, grab a quick sip of water, towel off. Set your iPhone up, take a picture of this, a video, whatever phone you have or camera. Send it to your friends. All right, we're gonna add on a little bit. How you feeling? Nice and warm, nice and toasty? Looking so good, Sunny fam. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little party. So we're gonna step it, pop it, low. Arms only to the right. Up, left, down, left. Tempo. Right, left, down, right, left. Have fun. It's literally a party move. We're here to party. Let's get it. Yes, you got this. Stay with it. And up, little quicker. Right, left, right, left. Last one. You know what's coming next. Grapevine. Let's get it to the right. Take it slow. You got it. We'll take up the tempo in just a second. Yes, we go for those taps forward. Step, side, left, one more. Party comes in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it up and down. Again, let's go, take it up, down. Grapevine to the right. How you feeling? Looking so good. Let's get it. So if you don't know by now, if you haven't caught on, we have 2 of each of these things. Step it forward, front, side, side. One more. Party up in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Hey. Maybe you add that leg, get a little more confident with it. One more. Let's go. Step it forward again right here. Take the grapevine out for a second. That's it. Find the beat of the music, have fun. Step. Party up and down and down. One more. Woo, how we feeling? Crushing it, let's go. One more time, slow. Hey, maybe you feel it. Yeah, hey. You got it, side. Add a little bit more flair to it right here. Just stay here, step side to side. Tempo, we party up. Hey, come on. One more. All right, team. We throw it all back together. Grapevine, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Hey, make it big. You got it. Last one. Step it front, side, side again, front. We party, then we go back to those steps. Let's get it up and down. One more, up, hey. Step it forward, side, forward, side, side again, front, side. One more, why not? Let's get it. I want you to feel the beat, feel yourself. I said one more, we added one more. Party up to the right, take it up and down. And down, one more, take it up. So good. Grapevine to the right. Kick it up. Yes, yes. Find those pockets where you can even make it more challenging. Maybe you take a little pause. Keep going. 2, 3, 1, hey. All right, team, breathe it up one more time. Big inhale, reach it up. Big exhale, let it go. Grab that water if you need it. We're gonna continue to just keep adding on. We only have a few songs left here. How you feeling? I'm gonna stop asking you how you're feeling because you should be feeling like a rock star. You are crushing this dance party, this dance workout. Team, here we go, step it out to the side. Let's go for some hip rolls to the right and the left, just like we did in the warm-up, just the right roll. Hey, to the left. You got it. 4 to the right for 4, 3, 2, left, let's get it. Hey, take it back. Why not to the right? Yes, we're gonna really open up those hips because we're gonna start to go into a little booty pop. Hips forward, hips back. Reach front, reach back. Reach front, reach back. 2 more, yes. Last one. Side to side, right, left, right, left. Last round, right, left, grapevine. Let's take it all back from the top. We're gonna start to add on even more. How you feeling? Crushing it. Let's step it front, take it up. Hey, take it side. You got it. Take it front. Nice work. Party up to the right. Hey, take it down. One more, let's get it up. We go forward again. We take those steps front. Yes, you're crushing it. One more. We party, then we're gonna add on. Take it up. Party, party, down. Breathe. All right, you can keep shaking those hips out, those legs out, team. Next move we're gonna go into. You're gonna pop the right foot back, arms cross front. You're gonna kind of lean into that. All right, so bend the knee, press the hips back. Hips forward, chest back, spine back. All right, so take it here, out, here, out. Yes, that's it. Cross out. Slow, again. Down, out. 2. Last 3. Woo, how we doing? Last one. Switch sides, cross and out. Yes. Don't worry about the beat of the music right now. We're gonna take a tempo in 3, 2, 1. Right side, let's get it. Hey, hey. Switch to the left, cross out. Yes. I know it might feel weird, switch it back. Team, grapevine to the right. Kick it up. How you feeling? Looking so good. One more. We step in front, take it up. Yes, you can make it a little more bouncy if you want. Why not? Take it forward. You got it side. We party up, take it up. Yes. One more. Crushing it. Step it forward, let's go. Forward. Last round. You got it. One more party. Then we start to add that cross. Take it up, up. Cross it 2 times. Front, cross, front. Throw, cross, throw, cross, throw. All right, team, I'm gonna go right into this next part. We're already coming up on like our last full song here. So from cross out, you're gonna take those hands, drop them down. Yes, booty's gonna pop up. Head is gonna come down towards knee and switch to the other side. So let's try it slow, break it down. We're gonna cross out, hands down, booty pop, hair flip. Oh, okay. Let's take it one more time slow, then we're gonna just practice that tempo. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Cross, out, down, pop, circle, left side, cross, out, down, hair flip. Tempo, in 3, 2, right side goes. Cross, out, down, flip, cross, out. Hey, cross, out. Cross, out, from the top, grapevine. How you feeling? Let's get it, come on. Is that your first hair flip? Protect that neck. Don't get dizzy, step it forward. You're crushing it. One more. We party to the right. Let's get it, take it up and down. Step it forward, hey. Let's go, make it bouncy, why not, have fun. Let's go, so good. Take it up right here. Woo. We cross, out, down, flip, cross. See that beat of the music, slow down. So take it slow. Cross, out, down, flip, cross, out, down, flip, step it out. Team, throw it all together, Grapevine. Take it up, maybe you tap that heel, let's get it. So good, last one. Step it forward, right. Hey, you got it, nice work. So good. Take it up to the right, party. Step it front. Hey, maybe you make it a little bit more hippie. Let's go, party. Cross, hair flip, cross out, down, flip, cross out, woo, cross out. Hey, Grapevine. Maybe you let your hair down. Have fun, we're almost there. Let's get it. Step in front, take it up, take it side. Let's go. Hey, make it your own now. You know the moves. Let's go. So good. Step in front. Take it side. Party. Team, we cross in hair, flip, cross out, booty, pop it, hair, flip, pop, pop. Beautiful work. Do you feel like a rock star, y'all? I felt like your backup dancer. I had such a good time with you. Let's go ahead and stretch it out. Big inhale, reach those arms all the way up. Big exhale, let it go. One more time, big inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Either interlace those fingertips or grab that opposite elbow, reach from the hips, press it over. Maybe you drop that bottom arm. Go ahead and shift the hips towards that leg. Take that nice flat back. You can take a bend in the knees if you need to. Reach it all the way back up. Woo. Take the arms back up, big reach up and over. So good. Nice work, team. Drop it down, shift the hips. Beautiful work. Come back to center. Lower the hips down. Woo, maybe you bring those hands into the inside. Team, I hope that you are feeling like the rock star that you are. Just like this song right here. May you always show up the most authentic version of you. Reach it over to this side here. Take that nice low lunge, big reach it up. Ooh, big exhale. Pull that back leg in, shift the hips back. May you always feel safe to show up as you. May you shine on just like this song says. You're a rock star, you're a superstar, you're needed, you're loved. You're exactly where you're meant to be in this moment. Even in a freaking dance cardio workout, you got this. Take it over, stretch it up. Remember who you are. Stand in your power today, team. Pop those hips back. Ooh, maybe you shift it back a little bit further. Pop that toe up. Shift back towards me. Let's go for just a couple more bends here. Rotate those elbows back, those shoulders forward. Bring the feet in. Slowly roll it up one vertebrae at a time. Team, I hope that you had such a great dance party workout with me. I can't wait to see you at your next workout. Again, my name is Dominique. Keep dancing, keep shining, keep showing up as you. See you next time.